Thanks so much everyone for stopping by, tuning in. And don't forget the no wipe top coat right on the top between the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat. It will definitely adheres and grab all your crystal base, charm, and chains in one place. Thank you, babe. And then when you finish, you don't have to worry about it's gonna be sticky or it's gonna have a tacky. It will definitely complete and clear for you, and dry, you being ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and just randomly add. You don't have to be perfect of whatever you pick, whatever that crystal you want. I'm gonna pick this Three Bestie here and add some of the whimsical there. Add it here. Add some purple. You can add however you want. More or less, it's up to you. I'm gonna just add that and then go in with some of my crystal that I have here. I'm having fun with this. This is so cool. Just think out of the box. You don't have to be like, you're seeing a lot of different crystal that I share. And also I did different designs, like you keep them really tight and close together. This one is still like close and tight together. You just make it like looks randomly spontaneous. Add this. So the request to see the encapsulate glitter is for Mika. She's like, I want to see some of the encapsulate glitter using crystal trifecta. So here you go. But this one, we're moving to the next nail, which is we are doing the crystal placement. And along with your whimsical, you can add some beads along. I like that there's like really cool and kind of different though. So now you see that how amazing, how the powerful of the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat. It will, you can place them however you want. Add more if you needed it before you cure. So it's not gonna be curing it until you are going to be happy with this. So I'm gonna add some beads and frame. And add some more. Looks really cool. I like it a lot. And you can add some more or less. It's up to you. I like that. It just really spontaneous and different. Okay. What should we do this on with? Should I add this one on? Looks cute though. I found that cutie on my mix bag right there, so I'm gonna add it on. There you go. It's kind of best mix bags ever. All right, so if now happy with this, so I'll go ahead and wipe on the both ends, and I mean the on both sidewall, to just remove any unnecessary excess gels and top coat before you cure to give it really nice looks. All right, happy cure for 60 seconds.